So how do we get to know God and his truth? How do we see beyond our own selfish desires? How do we set ourselves free? Jesus.
Amen, Jesus. Amen, Jesus. Let me get something straight, Rev. Some Jew gets nailed to a cross like, I don't know, 1,000 who gives a shit years ago. And he's gonna be the magic pill that pulls all of us scumbags to happiness, freedom.
Yes, it will, my brother.
Wow. Wow. You know what God gave me, brother? You know what sets me free? Pussy. Sweet, holy pussy. You see, God, he put man on this planet for 3 reasons. Eating, fighting, and tearing up tight with pussy.
That's enough, mate.
That is what cleans my dark glasses, my brother.
Shut up and sit down, Moro.
I can't see. I got the Lord in me. He wants me up. He wants me preaching. He wants me to spread the gospel. Pussy the healer. Pussy the redeemer. Can I get an amen for pussy?
Let's go. You're out of here, asshole.
I knows the truth now, brother. I'm free. Sweet pussy has set me free.